are going to know about uses of money in daily routine.
We are the shopkeeper of the jewellery shop.
We are the customer of the jewellery shop. I buy the jewelleries. Money.
We have a bill book.
We are the shopkeeper of textile shop. We are the customer of the textile shop. I have money. We have a bill book. We are the shopkeeper of the stationery shop.
We are the dear customer. I have your money.
We have a bill book. We are the shop. We are the customer of